Friends, I will start what are all the technological obsolescence. We can call it as undesirability and the uselessness. Usually, some of the undesirable activity from the technological aspects, which are going to be outdated sometime, which are going to be outmoded. How these activities are day by day, very weakness and exposure and liability to the information security within the organization. We can specify these are all nothing but technological obsolescence. We can call it as another way technological uselessness or undesirability activities. See, if any chances the infrastructure becomes going to be outdated and outmoded, the chances are leads to be unreliability, untrustworthy in the system, not going to be make use perfect manner. Similarly, the recognition of any technological related components association activities which are in the form of a risk or loss of data integrity also make threats and the attached to the management. And feasibly, most of the way of proper planning, you can say management should prevent the risk from technological undesirability, and we can call it as uselessness. And these are all going to be identified and take the proper way action for the benefit and the improvement, better performance of the organization. See, we can understand the important paradigm in the information security, how which are going to be coming in the form of attacks. Attack is basically deliberation which are going to be exploits. That means to say activities which are in an adventurous manner. You can say deliberation of an activity, which the activity forums, which are always make sure in a vulnerability conditions, which accomplish a damaging and leaking or stealing any sort of an information in the organization, especially the physical assets, the property which are there, any components or systems which are very essentially required for the long time durability, and those are going to be much effect. An exploit is technique to compromise the system. This particular activity perform the task as like a methodology and try to compromise a whole system within the organization. And similarly, this vulnerability identify a status in the form of weakness and control system may present, may not be present, how long which are going to be susceptible, how long which are going to be more impact and affect to the whole organization. And also this exploit achieve the compromise of whole controls one to another. Suppose we have a peripheral, so you have an interrupt, so you have a control, you have a logic, you have a hardcore, you have a software, whatever it may be, one to another, which are very related, interfacing between one to another, but which are going to be controlled one to another, one among the another. Even in any chance of attacking independently or attacking a group or a team, and which are going to be exploit the activities in a vulnerable conditions. Attack is basically a deliberation of an activity to perform the vulnerable strategy and the status to the complete system, which are in the form of a program, so coding structure, so which are in the form of just pros, some sort of a cons which are going to be affect to the whole organization, you can say. And continuation, we can perform like malicious attack. Correct? Now you can say system is going to be malicious code. It's a kind of attack include the execution of viruses, worms, Trojan horses, and active web scripts with the intent of destroy the, which comes in the form of a coding, which comes in the form of coding, which comes in the form of interfaces through a shortcut way, completely destroy with an intention or steal most of the information from the system. It's a kind of attack includes, especially if you classify the category of the files, one is like an ASCII and the executable file, which are going to be most effective only the executable files from the attack of malicious code. And this particular attack initiated the year 2002, especially which comes in the form of a multi-vector, and they distinguish because of the characteristic features in the form of vectors and later exploit a variety of various condition of the vulnerability, and finally which are going to be found, especially which are going to be attack the devices through a set of instruction packages in the form of a small level of a codes, shortcut codes, worms, Trojan horses, active web scripts, which are going to be intentionally completely clean, steal the information in the existing system. This is one sort of attack. And still, if you go with one to in a different formulation, you say that one attacks one among, you can say, IP scan and attack. IP scan attack basically infected. You can go with like some of the attack. The replication vectors. What the multi-vector specification of the malicious code come, we can just distinguish and you have to extract one of the other. Among, you can just get into the clear picture about IP, Internet Protocol. Infected system scans random or local range of IP addresses. We take a class A, class B, class C, especially in any educational institution. Presently, availability of the local identification with a class C address, like it lies in between 192 to 223, is a class C address. 0 to 127, 128, 191, 192 to 223. 220, 192 to 223 class which lies, correct? No? Especially a small, a medium level entrepreneur, they can easily attack IP scan, and we can call it a how which are going to be infected. A system scans random or local range of IP addresses, targets any of a number of. If they used to find 192.168.3.220, then they can come across which are in the range which lies in between 192 to 223, then automatically they used to hack the level leftover from the previous exploit, and how the activity which are going to be come from the other IP address with an assumption, with the state of an art of an information flow from the existing IP domain, IP address, and they used to attack. That's and also you can say code red black RFIs, and there are the various names. The level of characteristic feature which are going to be attacked on the existing IP, and they used to be made certain assumption. Is it a class A, class B, class C? Based on that one, they used to be attacked. You can call it as IP scan and attack, which are scanned through that one, then save all the information in a log table. How the regular, suppose myself is logged, in the sense, if I'm just through the Zoom, they can easily track and the trace at what time you logged in, at what time, the flow of an information which are going to be communicated to the target of you people available at present online. Like that way, because I have a laptop machine IP address, so, and independently, yeah, if you are setting your own address spec of that one logical address or a Ethernet address or a physical address identity, they can easily get through how the scanner. In some of the standard open source tools are available. I'll explain to you later once we come to the particular way of performance analysis. Similarly, web browsing, another replication of a vector from the attack. If the infected system has write access to any web pages, so it makes all web content files in the form of active server pages, so in the form of HTML, so in the form of common gateway interfaces, so whatever the format. See, once we link, we are finding the files. You right button click and get into the view sources of that one, which are in the form of HTML, which are in the form of active server pages, so maybe scripts, so PHP, CGIE, whatnot, which are there. Okay. A chances of infection, so that users who browse the particular pages so become infected. Say they used to go with a file which established, you right button click, you can find out where exactly the location of the link in the form of like a blue line or the green line. Green line, you can say a different form of a link status. So if you find the blue line, just make you that one, the corresponding observation they used to keep in a log table. No? Then after our cell, we are in the offline mode or off, correct? No? Then you can easily find out the chances of attacking. You can call it as web browsing. First from the address, so next from the website also. You can say website also or web pages also through the browsing compatibility. Next one is virus. Each infected machine infects certain common executable or script files on all computers to which it can write with virus code that can cause infection. Generally, any sort of an executable file which are going to be stored, which are going to be saved, which are going to be executable in the form of an ASCII or in the form of script. Script, you can easily see that one ASCII, and all this in a, in the network, most of the, correct, no, every computer has the accessibility, and through that one, this particular code, especially how which are going to be accessible, read to, write to, write in the sense both read also and even write also accessible permission with virus code, and which are going to be infect the complete system. And similarly shares. See, we have an option called whatever we are using, the vulnerabilities, which are an activities going to be affect from that, and also using vulnerabilities in file system. Especially you can distinguish network file system. If we have like a distributed file system, DFSO, NFSO, Windows file system, Linux file environment system, these are all file system. The way in which, correct, no, the organization is going to be managed and configured and structured. If any sort of a copies which are going to be vital, very viral component to all location, and which are going to be reachable from source machine to the destination machine, in between multiple number of nodes are connected, and which are going to be shared with a shortcut. They are also the option called replication of attacking positions. Similarly, mass mail. We have various other mails are correct, no? Free, and we can just make a group, and we can make a team, we can make a personal web mail server, And in all cases, there also we can find out the chances of attacking to the code. By sending email infections to addresses found in the infected system address book copy. So, and any chances of user, they used to be read and forget, not in a position to go with automatically correct now save and the re-execute, and these are all the chances of some of the important. Please keep in mind, these are all once again comes from a set of rules and the procedure. First one is IP protocol, second one is HTTP protocol, this one is managing protocol, next one is sharing level of protocol, RIP protocol, mass mail SMTP protocol. Like that way, each and every protocol which are going to be managed. Mass mail protocol, once you are sending SMTP, once you are receiving POP. Similarly, here is look at clearly in which way we are going to be manage a complete system of network management using SNMP, and there also vulnerability. There also vulnerability chances known to many in take on entrepreneurs, take on industries, MNCs who are all going to be dig and find out the chances of attacking in a possibility of multi-vector common with the help of SNMP buffer. Suppose chances of less buffer, chances of overflow, we can say that one they communicating with a group or a team, these are all providing a chances of attack. Keep in mind, IP scan and the attack is once again one sort of protocol, basic addressing protocol, web browsing surfing protocol, virus and shares internal coding protocol. Mass mail is once again a standard level of protocol. SNMP is basically with the help of MIB, management information based database, going to be created, and through that one chances of attacks. And you see that one IP scan one by one, still with the most of the info. Compromise system scan random or local range of IP addresses, and which wants to be targets any of the several correct, no, not only one, which are going to be find out the chances of vulnerabilities known to hackers. There is a small link which are going to be established a connectivity and left over from the previous. Suppose you are using, you are not in a position to session log out. Similarly, execute. You can go with CSS, CHS, login, login, login. But the profile CSHRC automatically carrying all the flow of an interaction from the user once we logged in until you logged out. During that time, the chances of hacking level, chances of attacking to the system. And I told you very clearly, a number of website having a number of pages which are in the form of like HTML, which are in the form of CGI, which are in the form of ASP, and what not the pages which are going to be appear. If any one of the page known to the attack agent, automatically this also going to be a chances of vulnerability. And similarly, infected machine infects certain common execute, correct, no? The virus is basically literally damage a complete information which are already executing, exe. Similarly, binary level, and through the virus also chances of vulnerability. Unprotected shares, we are in a sharing option, correct, no? One to many, many to many, many to one, and full-fledged public private too. And there, if you are not in a position to proper way of privacy, proper way of the security, then chances of vulnerability using files to copy viral component to all reachable location. We can identify such a way that in which way files are copied from one location. There should be a link established from the one sharing of S1 to S2, S3, or it may be team of the SH, correct? No? May get the link, may have a chance to get an opportunity to visit, then these are all not, if not at all in the form of a privacy, not in the form of security, then these are also going to be make a vulnerability. And sending email infection to addresses found in, see what happened usually. See, we are getting a mails regularly. Is some of the mails having unknown addresses also? Need to be correct. Now find out who is the person sending to mail. Similarly, where exactly the target machines, and you can just search. Those are all the code well established for stealing an information from the email server, stealing or attacking an information known to understand the level of an information from the email server. You can call it as mass mail. Through number of email IDs which are there, in between one of correct, they used to link well established. Through that one also we can get a vulnerability attack state. And as like what I mentioned, like SNM, simple network management protocol, also vulnerability is used to compromise and infect. Chances are you have to be come to know which type of a database is going to be. Generally, MIB, Management Information Base, a simplistic, optimized, regularized database, which are going to be make use in case of SNMP and provide. And if any chance of shortcut links, shortcut visiting link, then here also we can find out a vulnerability status. And Oxus, a more device approach to attack computer system, is the transmission of a virus or with a real virus attack. See what will happen, which are in the form of like some sort of a programming, a joyful or full level of programming which are available, and you click those things, a chances of infection to the device, and which are going to be affect a complete a software what we are executing regularly. And that is also one sort of vulnerability and attack to the system. Backdoors. See, we might be come across in which way the accessibility mechanism or technical aspects of methodology which are going to be used. They can easily understand, they can come to know easily in which way the flow of an exchange executing day in day out. They used to maintain one log table. We can call it a script table. Today, you want to find out if you logged in many times, but you are unable to get the flow of an commands. The Linux, if you are executing 192.168.3.200, just use a command called history. It will give a complete information about what the execution was taken place from the beginning of a login to as and today. Like that way, that particular history is going to be a back store or a backup to the agent who are all going to be attacker, a backdoor using a known or previously unknown discovered access mechanism. An attacker can gain access to a system or network resources through they used to get directly to the system administrator, can directly get into the root super user. From there, if they are going to be accessible .profile or .cssrc .login, chances of attacking a vulnerability, we can call it a type of it called backdoor attacking. Similarly, password attack, attempting to reverse a calculate, correct? No, chances are they used to make a permutation combination. Suppose you are making an entry of the particular pin number, they used to make some sort of a mathematical randomizing. They used to make some sort of permutation combination. 0001 is it a 100, like that way they used to be make. It will take its own time, or else they can write a program for that one also. You can say password cracking. We can make use such a way that if any of the user using a standard level of encrypted, decrypted, we can make you a tool called password crack, ultimately vulnerable strategy and vulnerability and attacks to the whole system. And similarly, brute force. If you are executing some sort of an application through computer, and as well as a network resources which are very useful. You take like a router, or you can take an example like a gateway, you can take like a switch or like a whatever it may be, which are a combination, correct? No, making a measurement such a way that they used to trace using some standard command trace route to trace walk route, correct? No, these are the commands are highly applicable, and we can call it as brute force, enhancing an attack strategy directly to the computing paradigm for what, for any sort of an application they are going to be make use of. And similarly they used to attack various components of network resources, so trying to find out various possible combinations of an option, what sort of a setup of a password which executed beginning and finally exit status also. You can say that's why only a lock is there, LOCK, xlock is there, some standard commands. What will happen if you log in and go somewhere else? So unless a root privilege, anybody can make sure, correct? No, these are called a brute force. Directly get into the application where exactly the computing or the case study which are going to be performed from there, and similarly directly enter into the academic programming concept. We can call it as brute force type of and vulnerability conditions, and the attacking strategy directly affect to the whole system. A dictionary. The dictionary password attack narrows the field by selecting specific accounts attack, and also which uses list of commonly used password. Directory. They used to maintain a directory such a way that suppose ABC, AABC, AABBC, correct? No? Like that way. Whatever the alphabetic order representation or alphanumeric representation they used to make, for this also they can easily write a programs. I think you might be come across, you are studied already like a grammar, lexical analysis, how the grammar having a tuple values, correct? No, production strategy. Based on that one, they used to generate a language. That generating language, and each and every stage, the generating language acts like a password which are going to be executed on the system itself only. And that is going to be stored with a code generation. Then finally, they can make you some natural language processing. Some of the standard tools are available. That level of a mechanism is called dictionary attacking. Dictionary attacking, once again, according to the language and some sort of rules and regulation formulated in the like a dictionary manner. And finally they used to keep all sort of the pattern within the file itself only. From that also they used to be guess this is going to be a password, or this is not going to be a password, is it possible to crack, is it possible to attack. This is the level of vulnerability also going to be affect our complete system time to time. And denial of service. This is one of the important service in attacking of information security. Attackers send a large number of connection or information request to a target. I'll tell you, please we join at correct no so on so 11:30. Suppose some information from your WhatsApp goes to the other person. They used to be correct no, even though they are comes under the group, they used to find out what way correct no, the level of a programming and level of a interaction and the deliberation which are going to be. They used to be get into that one, and they used to send using your WhatsApp group. If you ask for some, then immediately I'll send my link, all the information to them. These are attacker sends a large number of connection or information request to a target. They will send one among. Used to choose which one is most important, he or she who are there using computing, who are using a resource effectively for formulating an application. But some of which are purposefully attacking or vulnerable condition, which are in the group, we are going to be neglect also. And this type of a service is called DOS, denial of service. So many requests are made that the target system can't handle them successfully along with other legitimate requests for service. Correct? Now you say that one, a multiple number of services which are grouped together sent may result in the system crash, a chances of inability to perform ordinary function. We used to say most of the time my system becomes slow because of the number of scripts which are going to be executed in the background. This background flow of an information which are in the sense affect to the cache, affect to the whole system, even though whatever the memory status available, based on that one, we can find out a team or a group or a large number of connectivity which are going to be attack a whole system of an information directly, which affects crash the system, hang the system, which are not in a position to perform effectively even any sort of an ordinary function. See what will happen, you might be observed yourself only once you computing, once you interacting regularly through the mouse, through your hand, correct, no? Finger interface. So similarly, if you are using joystick, whatever it may be, one among is automatically correct, no? Going to be hang. Similarly, here also, if whatever the programming scripts are available in the form of denial of services, so which ultimately affect the whole system. And that one is a minimum level. If it's go with a distributed, we can call it a DDoS, distributed denial of service. Coordinated stream of requests is a launch against a target from many locations at the same time. We can say probably might be come across threading concept, multi-threading, interfacing, runnable, executable. That is a concept is called distributed denial of service. That means from the beginning, which automatically enhance, excel from the beginning point to the end point in a distributed manner with a set of status of stream requests. They are actually link. Stream in the sense consists of file structure, having its coordinated level of one to another group of a denial of services which are going to be linked and well established and crash the system which are going to be perform inability of the functionality. Not only the regular, even ordinary functions also. If it is in the case of distributed environment, we can call it as distributed denial of services. So especially high performance computing go. If you may chances correct, now I'll give a simple example distributed of denial of services. If flights are moving, correct, no, a chances of like in which way the airways operation which are going to be take place, even though landing, takeoff times which are going to be display on the LED, but which are going to be delay because of any sort of the correct no dangerous intruder chances they used to be find out from one to another and finally state that one after one of the other they used to be give a clear information to the pilot or it may be we are not finding like a homogeneous level of airways which are going to be correct no taking off similarly landing in any airport but a combination of that one they used to manage such a way that there should not be any problem of denial of services, which are a simple example of a distributed denial of services, especially takeoff, landing of various airline, which are in the form of these are the standard attacks, and we can easily understand how best to still further spoofing. Once again, if you have an IP address, how which are going to be middle in the man in the middle, spam, and these are another. I'll just explain to you in the next class. These are all the things you have to be very cautious. Just what I told today, a generic way, a complete flow of an information, one to another. We can understand the reality of how the conditions of uselessness, similarly undesirability of the technological aspect and which are going to be in the form of infrastructure wise or management we can say technological obsolescence. And so similarly what is a condition of attack to what are the various type of attacks are available